I'm Leslie Unger with Ask Leslie, and this is what I have to say about the third stool in communication. As we have talked about, within the world of communication, there are many three-legged stools. If you think about a stool, it has 3 equal legs in order to do its job of holding your weight. In earlier videos, we talked about the first 2 stools of communication. Now I'm going to refer to the legs of a third stool: content, delivery, and organization. Sometimes a person gets done writing a speech or writing an outline or bullet points, and they think, they're done. That's it, fino, complete. The content of your comments are just one leg of the stool. The other 2 legs are organization and delivery. When you're done with the content, you are not done. The second leg of this stool is organization. Sometimes someone will bring me a speech to review in a short amount of time. The first thing I will do is reorganize parts of the speech. When you have limited time, reorganization of the text can make a huge difference. Organization is an equal leg of this stool of communication. So tweaking this one leg can greatly enhance your speech. Delivery is the third leg of the communication stool. Your delivery will be affected by the organization of your comments. You can't really practice the delivery of your comments until they are in their final form. You have to practice the delivery of the content over and over again. Look at each word. Happy should sound different than challenged. The word good needs to sound different than the word struggling. All words are not created equal from a delivery perspective. So first, craft the content. Second, perfect the organization. And third, practice out loud the delivery. This is the third stool of communication. Remember, when you're finished writing your comments, you are not finished. After content, you have organization and delivery. Make sure the 3 legs of this stool can hold the weight of your message. Go to my blog at leadersneedtospeak.com for more tips on communication and leadership. Remember, opportunity has a shelf life. I'm Leslie Unger with Ask Leslie. Thanks for watching.